In today's class, you will learn 5 phrasal verbs to help you sound professional at work. I have a special surprise for you before we wrap up today's lesson. And don't forget, I am Future Born, and let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is follow up. I'd like you to please repeat after me. Come on, let's go together. Follow up. Very good. Follow up means to check on or remind someone about something. I'm going to take that again. Follow up means to check on or remind someone about something. Let's have an example. I'll follow up with the team to ensure they have completed the report. So I'm going to check on the team to ensure they have completed the report. Like we said, follow up means to check on something. Let's have another example. Can you follow up on that email we sent last week? Oh, can you check on the email we sent last week? Maybe they have responded to us. Maybe they have replied us. So you want to check on, you want to follow up on the email. So we are going to have the next example, the next phrasal verb. Bring up. I'd like you to repeat after me. Come on, let's go. Bring up. Very good. Bring up means to mention or introduce a topic. I will say that again. Bring up means to mention or introduce a topic. Let's have a very simple example. He brought up the budget concerns during the meeting. So he mentioned the budget concerns during the meeting. Let's have another example. Can I bring up something? I think we might need to adjust the timeline for this task. Hey, can I mention something? Can I bring up something? So don't forget, bring up means to mention or introduce a topic. Can I bring up something? I have created a 30 days vocabulary beat-up challenge which you can download from my description and book a free trial lesson at Learn English with Born. Let's have a third vocabulary word. Look into. Come on, let's have it again. Look into. Very good. Look into means to investigate or find more information about something. I'm going to repeat that. Look into means to investigate or find more information about something. Let's have an example. The IT department is looking into the system error right now. So, have you ever been in the office where you have a problem with your probably a system or your system crashed and you find the IT members running from here to there trying to find a way to solve the problem? What they're actually doing is they're looking into the problem. You're gathering information. You're finding more information to fix the problem. So that's look into. Let's have another example. Can you look into the new vendor options before the next meeting? Can you find more information about the new vendor before the next meeting? Yes, we can, sir. All right, so let's have the fourth phrasal verb. Take on. I'd like you to please repeat after me. Come on, let's go. Take on. Very good. So take on means to accept a task, responsibility, or challenge. Come on, let's go together. Take on means to accept a task, responsibility, or challenge. Let's have an example. She's taking on the responsibility of training new hires, new employees. She's accepted, oh, I am going to do it. I will train the new employees. She is taking on. Okay? Good. Let's have another example. I am happy to take on more work if it helps the team meet the deadline. Oh, I am happy. I am happy to take on. I am happy to take on the responsibility. I will accept the responsibility. If our team can meet up with the deadline, I will do more work. So I have taken on the responsibility. So now before we wrap up the lesson, this one is gonna blow your mind. I love it so much. And I used it at the start of the lesson. So right now, we're going to have wrap up. Okay, I'd like you to please repeat after me. Come on, let's go. Wrap up. Very good. Wrap up means to finish or complete something. Let's go. To finish or complete something. Good job. A first example. Let's wrap up this presentation and move on to the question and answer session. We're wrapping up with a lesson. We are completing the lesson. Let's have another example. We need to wrap up the project by Friday to meet the client's deadline. Hey guys, we need to finish the project by Thursday. So if you want to say something where you have to finish a project and the word you want to use or phrasal verb you're looking for is wrap up. That's the phrasal verb you should use to talk about finishing something or completing something. And that was it for today's class, and I am looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Don't forget to download your 30 days vocabulary build-up challenge and book a free trial lesson if you want to have a class with me. See you there. Bye.